Well, good evening, y'all. Let me turn this up. I just prefer to have it turned up tonight. Try that. I don't know if I could get it in between them two, but there ain't no in between there. Well, shoot. But anyway, I was going to say, when I got up this morning, you know how you swing your legs over the bed and swing your legs over the bed and then go to stand up. Well, my right knee gave plumb out from under me. It wouldn't support me at all. So I kind of hopped a couple of feet over to where my cane was. I had to use my cane to go to the bathroom. Oh, God. You know, after I did that and came back in the room, it was getting to where my knee was working a little better. But it's been a little screwed up all day. And tonight it really feels screwed up. And the skin, the flesh on my kneecap is puffy. Kind of puffy. I don't know what in the world I'm going to do. Don't know. I don't know. What did I do? I did a small load of laundry today. So not that y'all have noticed, but I wear the same few clothes all the time. The same few slobby clothes. So I have to wash them often. I'd be glad to wear my pretty dresses and stuff like that, but it's too hot. So I just pull on some men's shorts and one of my ugly cotton tops, and that's what I wear in the summertime. I've got some new shorts coming from Temu, and I hope and pray to God they're big enough. They're supposed to be true to size. They better be big enough. Shoot. Long cotton underwears like bloomers. They're like long-legged back shorts, but they're the women's underwears. Panties. Undergarments, as my granny called them, undergarments. Won't y'all share some of your funny sayings with me? Tell me some funny sayings. I'd like to hear them. There's one person who asked me to tell the story of how me and my husband got together. I told her yes, but I didn't say when. I have to be in the mood. to talk about it. Because for me it was profound, because it was all miraculous. It was miraculous. It was almost like a cartoon. In some ways, a cartoon. But it was and still is very, very personal and profound. So it's not something I can just chat about. But one there's days when I'm in the mood, I'll tell the story. I have touched on the subject in another video, but I don't remember what video that was. I need to put some lotion on my hands. I've got this here, Jergen's Vanilla. It smells good, it's all right. But my favorite is that Jergen's original scent, that cherry blossom or whatever it was scent. Smells wonderful. I don't know, I probably didn't get enough, I don't know. I try to slather it on evenly on both sides and rub it in good. It smells nice. It has a real light vanilla scent. Very light, nice scent. My fingers they're already starting to feel that velvety, kind of a velvety soft. Not on my other skin, I don't guess, but my fingers, for some reason, as wrinkled up as they are, gnarled up, they feel just as soft as they can be. Maybe it's because I wash my hands about 500 times a day, because I'm always dealing with cats and dogs and the birds and cleaning up this mess and doing this or that, and because I wash my hands, not compulsively, but when they need to be washed, because I'm aware of germs and transferring, bacteria and stuff. You just need to wash your hands now and then, and I do. This lotion feels wonderful. My skin on my hands feels real soft now. It's not just dry and wrinkly. Now it's soft and wrinkly. How's that for a commercial? A TV advertisement. Jergen's. It comes in 2 fragrances. Wonderful original lotion. It moisturizes and softens any kind of skin, even old skin. Even old skin that has been through a lot of hard work. Gnarled and wrinkly, but it's soft, gnarled and wrinkly. So you're a soft and lovely feeling and comfortable granny. How's that for a TV commercial? That kind of reminds me of Hee Haw. How many of y'all have ever watched Hee Haw? Oh, me and my dad, we watched it. We enjoyed it. Oh, yeah, we did. My brothers did too when they was there, but they were always off doing some stuff, how boys are and teenagers are, just, whatever. They always had a lot of friends and shit, and they always taking off somewhere, doing stuff with their friends. And so as mainly me and Dad there most of the time, watching TV together. We pretty much liked the same shows. There'd be a show once in a while he'll want to watch, and I don't like it, but I had to suffer through it because it was his TV in his house. And he was paying the bills, and he's the one that bought that TV, and et cetera, et cetera. So I just had to sit there and watch whatever he watched, and be appreciative, and I was. And I appreciated that time spent with my daddy. God, I miss him. I look for a time when we see each other again. Might be soon enough for me. I just think there's something going on with my health, that I'm going down so weak and weary so fast. Seems fast to me anyway. And if we're not raptured out, I'd probably die before too long. Okay, and that is the saga of the Jergen's lotion. All right, there you go. So there's that video. If I have something else to talk about, I'll make another video. Oh yeah, I do. I'd tell you about something I did today. Okay. Bye, y'all.